Here's how you can disable vibration for incoming calls, alerts, or keyboard haptic vibration, or turn off all system vibrations on your iPhone at once. Let's start with ringtone vibration. Go ahead and open the Settings app and scroll down to the Sounds and Haptics option. Scroll down again until you see the Haptics option. Select the last option called Never Play, and that's it. Now, the haptic vibration will not play when your iPhone rings or receives alerts. If you want to disable keyboard haptic vibration, then go to General. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Keyboard. Then go ahead and turn off the haptic feedback option. And the last option is System Vibration Settings, which disables all types of vibration on your iPhone. Open the Settings app again and scroll down to Accessibility. Find the touch settings and turn off the vibration toggle. This will disable vibration on your iPhone, including earthquake, tsunami, and other emergency alerts. That's it. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Don't forget to like this video to support the channel and subscribe for new video updates.